What's up, y'all? My name is Kobe48, and today, as the title suggests, I'm going to be cleaning out my bag, seeing what's in there after all these months. Yeah, that is my great video idea. Alright, so let's see what we got. First up, we got a pack of popcorn and my lunchbox. Well, I might just save this for later. What's the sheet? Not worth mentioning. What else we got? Got some lyrics I totally wrote on my own for my next album. I'm just gonna show all my lyrics. I wrote all these lyrics. Definitely not anyone else. Yeah, all my lyrics for my next album been revealed. This is the script of the next movie I'm directing. That's right, I'm a director. Well, mostly just directing VFX stuff. Like, look at that. See, director. Got a broken copy. Got this piece of paper, and yeah, just gonna bend that back properly. Very cool. So I want to mention that I finished school on Thursday. Was it? Yeah, Thursday. So this is like, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. More of this. Geography, yuck. Oh, it's my journal. Very cool. Let's see what else we got. What's this? Well, we better make sure nobody finds that ever. Hey, what are these doing in here? What else we got in this goodie bag? We have one glove. Wow. Fantastic. Another copy. It looks a lot less broken than the other one. And ew. What else we got? Okay, so we just got more papers that are irrelevant and won't be any more relevant when I grow up. What's this paper? Oh, hey, look, it's a permission slip to skip class. And quick maths. That is everything from the first pocket. So, oh, you thought this was over, huh? Now we're going on to this pocket. Let's see what we got in there. You got my glasses. What are these doing in there? Wow, I can see everything now. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Got this spare pencil case, if you will. Yeah, lots of spare pens and papers. So whenever someone at school next to me is like, "Can I borrow a pen?" I just go, yeah. Student solutions, everyone. Very cool. And very cool. Yeah, I got some spare pens and pencils. Got this. And a calculator. Yeah, that's all that. Oh yeah, this thing that I never used for the entire year. Had to open with a glove. Alright. Okay, so you got a little... Oh, I already took out the pencil. Lol. Oh, we got a dictionary. Let's see what words we can find. Oh hey, on page 313, you can find the word irrelevant. Irrelevant, not connected with the matter in hand. Kinda like my channel. Got another pen, and ooh shit. Got a bunch of cards. When did I get this again? In 2017? I gotta like reorganize this so I can, like, you know, actually play with these. And the rest is just more markers, pens. Very cool. Ugh. Alright, we have the second pocket wrapped up. Oh wait, oh yeah, so I'm gonna go on to this one next, see if there's anything inside there. Is there? Oh, there is. There's glue that I never used the entire year. Oh, and this keychain that I got back in November, was it? November when we went to that college. Yeah, that was everything out of this pocket. So, the last pocket, just got plenty of sweets. And that, everyone, is my most creative idea I've had in ages. And the fact that it's just opening up my school bag and emptying everything out shows how really uncreative I am. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, obliterate that like button, comment, subscribe, and number 48 out. Peace.